Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Jorgensen brand, their 2-pack steel bar clamp set. This is the 4-inch version, light duty, yet it supports 300 pounds of load limit, which is impressive. These are great for any do-it-yourself woodworking projects or anytime you want to hold pieces of something together, plates of metal, plastic, or wood. This product gets excellent customer ratings, and there are different sizes you can get on Amazon for different openings and throat depths. So they do specify the throat depth of this of 2 inches, and that is a measurement of from the center line to what it would hit the plate right there. And the maximum opening is 4 inches, which is the opening that could handle the maximum amount. You notice that it has these nice plastic protectors on there, which they can be removed if you wanted to remove them on both sides. There is a ball joint right here, and that's important so that it doesn't matter how 90 degrees the piece of material is in there, it'll still put a direct 0 degrees force to it. Has a really nice handle that's comfortable. It's rubberized that you can turn the screw right there to put compression force inward. And the really nice thing is you just slide this like that, and it allows this thing to be moved forward and back so you can quickly get to the compression point that you want. Then you dial it in by turning it like that. Very, really strong. There's springs that hold it in place. This is all solid steel. You can see there's a ratchet arrangement on there, and that's what's locking this in place. You notice that there is a forward pitch on there and on this piece right there. That is done intentionally so that when you're compressing the piece, it doesn't push in the outward direction. Very, very clever. I love the orange color also. It looks like it's painted with a really durable enamel so that you could use this for a lifetime, because these things last forever. They're so handy to use. It's unbelievable. So let's just give you a quick example. I've got a piece of wood, 2 pieces of wood right here. Let's say I was gluing these together and I wanted to hold them. So I would just compress this like that and slide it forward like that. And then I rotate this and it locks it in place. If there was glue here, it would be squishing the glue out. You'd wipe it. But it's really impressive because it really holds it. It locks it in place so that you can glue or repair anything, whether it's white glue or instant glue, or metal, or wood, or plastic. It's going to hold what you need in place for any kind of a repair. So this is a great product, and you get 2 of them. And again, you can get different sizes on Amazon. So I'm impressed with the quality of this. It locks in place very durably. And so I'm going to give the Jorgensen brand this 2-pack steel bar clamp set. I'm going to give it a perfect 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.